Good morning. Usually don't want to complain about anything, but here's the first part of the kitchen. This cabinet is very loose. It's not securely mounted. As you can see, it moves back and forth. And there's a big gap between the wall. The countertop should have been cut a little different. It's actually bigger than the stone on the backsplash. So there's one thing. Okay, coming over to here, this countertop. I noticed all these outside edges are different than each other. And the gentleman put a filler in back here that's going to be whiter than our tile backsplash on the back of the cabinet here. Then these seams look very obvious because they were cut by a hand grinder. They go together tight, loose, tight. They're all wavy. So we got that. And then these seams, I don't know what that is. Looks like some caulking, but they're the same situation. They're very obvious. There's places where they're tight together, and then there's places where they're open more, and then they go tight together again. So that, same with this side. The seams are so obvious. I mean, they don't look good. Plus they aren't flush. So we need to get this addressed. I mean, really bad. And then we got to deal with the sink. Okay, from this corner back there is 4 inches. Center is 5 inches. The side is 5 inches, 4 inches. It's way too far out. And the cabinet's right here on the inside of the sink. So when you open up the door, the garbage disposal is at the front of the cabinet. If you see here underneath, you don't have much room between the front of the cabinet and the garbage disposal. It can't be here when you open the cabinet. Then there's no room for storage. And again, this corner looks good. I'm not sure what happened to the rest of the corners, but they're all these corners are different as well. Then this cabinet is supposed to be an 18-inch with the pull-out trash, but I don't see the pull-out trash. So that was supposed to be addressed too.